If you're considering buying Lumipia, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Lumipia has been gaining attention for its innovative features, but how does it really stack up compared to its competitors? Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Lumipia is the right choice for you. First things first, Lumipia offers a sleek user interface that's easy to navigate, making it an attractive option for both beginners and seasoned pros. If you've tried other tools, you'll appreciate how much less complicated Lumipia feels compared to others like XYZ Software or ABC Tool, which can sometimes be overwhelming. What sets Lumipia apart here is its simple layout that allows you to dive straight into the features without a steep learning curve. This means you spend less time figuring things out and more time using the product. Next thing, pricing. One of the most appealing aspects of Lumipia is its transparent pricing model. Unlike other tools that have hidden fees or complex tiers, Lumipia's pricing is straightforward, offering great value for the features it provides. The best part? You can try it completely free from the first link below. That's right, you get to test the software without any risk before you commit. The third thing you need to know about Lumipia is its integrations. It's no secret that most software today lives and dies by its ability to connect with other platforms, and Lumipia doesn't disappoint. Whether you're using tools like Google Workspace, Salesforce, or Zapier, Lumipia plays well with others. This means you won't have to worry about manually importing data or dealing with clunky export features. It seamlessly integrates with your existing setup, saving you time and reducing the chance of human error. The fourth thing, customer support. Lumipia shines when it comes to customer service. Unlike some of the competitors who make you wait on hold for hours or send you to FAQ pages, Lumipia provides quick, responsive support. If you run into an issue, their team is just a click away, and they have a reputation for solving problems efficiently. It's not the kind of support that leaves you frustrated. Rather, it's one that helps you get back on track immediately. Next up, Lumipia's scalability. If you're just starting out, the software's basic features will likely meet your needs. But as your business grows, you'll find that Lumipia can scale with you. Unlike other options that require you to jump to more expensive plans or completely switch to a new tool, Lumipia's flexible pricing allows you to unlock advanced features as your needs evolve. This makes it a solid long-term investment compared to competitors that might lock you into expensive enterprise-level plans. The sixth thing you should know is Lumipia security. In today's world, protecting your data is paramount, and Lumipia doesn't take this lightly. It comes equipped with encryption protocols and security measures that comply with industry standards. If you've used other products in the past, you know how important it is to ensure your data is safe and sound. With Lumipia, you can feel confident knowing your information is well protected. Finally, let's talk about updates and future-proofing. One of the standout features of Lumipia is its commitment to continuous improvement. The team behind the software regularly pushes updates that add new features, improve functionality, and enhance performance. This is crucial, especially in a market where technology evolves rapidly. While some competitors stagnate and fail to innovate, Lumipia is consistently evolving, ensuring you're always working with the latest and most effective tools. So, if you're looking for a product that offers an intuitive interface, great pricing, seamless integrations, top-notch customer support, scalability, robust security, and continuous improvements, Lumipia could be the right fit for you. If you want to try out Lumipia, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the software and access some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get hands-on experience and make an informed decision.